Ask Tom on Home Show.
Sue from Greenway, Virginia has a whitening issue.
Well, she's talking about spots, Tom. She's talking about these. And you can see these white spots that are showing up on it. It looks like natural stone. She doesn't tell us what the surface is. She says, I've lived in this unit for 9.5 years, and I'm seeing a whitening phenomenon in the bathroom. I want to know why, and I want to know what the cause could be so I can bring it to the attention of the owner. So we have here, Tom, as a tenant who's trying to do right by her landlord.
And it's very good of her to do that. And this is a perfect example why natural stone shouldn't be in a bathroom in areas like this, because if you see it's got caulking, there's a sink or a tub lip or something right there on one of those pictures. And that's just water getting on the stone, and the chemicals in the water, the chlorines and all the different stuff they use in water today, it's eating that stone away. Stone is not a durable product, and it has to be professionally refinished sometimes. You know, Charlie, we've had lots of different certified home show pros that restore stone. They come in, they grind it, they put sealers on there, they put crystallizers in some cases to make it really tight, and you got to wipe the water off. But when it gets to this point, it needs a professional rehab. And so somebody has to come in and redo that stone. But it's just because it's in a wet area, and you get a combination of efflorescence around the grout joints. And then this looks like a marble or some kind of stone that is very sensitive to alcohol, ammonias, and acids. And a lot of those things, as bad as they sound, are in your shampoos and conditioners and soaps that you use.
So if you weren't going to use that kind of natural stone in a bathroom, Tom, maybe you can go to the landlord, or we have a certain number of people who own rent houses who listen to the show. What would you recommend for a nice upgraded surface in a rent bathroom?
The only surface stone-wise I would put in a bathroom of any kind, quite frankly, that's not man-made. They've got the sile stones and stuff; those are man-made products. And quartzes, which are man-made, it uses quartz, but it's still made differently. Is a granite. Granite's the only one that wipes up clean. Marbles, travertine, slates. You get into these kind of stones; they're really porous and they're really soft, especially marble. You take marble and just sprinkle lemon juice on it, and you have a marble table, it'll feel like sandpaper. It just eats the surface off. So I would stay away from all stones in bathrooms if they're countertops or even floors or anything except for granites, because there's just too many chemicals in there.
Yeah, we just redid our bathroom and we put a quartz surface in there.
Quartz is fine. The quartz gives it the look, but the stuff the quartz is in is all man-made polys and things like this that I couldn't tell you a chemist could. That makes it very durable and very pretty with the quartz product in there.
Tom loves pretty questions. And so we sent him a pretty note. Go click on that pretty blue button and send it in. You'll be faced with this choice. You can write to us or you can send us a video. Either way, go ahead and fill out the form, send us your picture, send us your video, whatever you're going to do. And Tom will answer your question, because we post a new one of these every day on our the Home Show Radio YouTube channel, on our Facebook page, and of course at HomeShowRadio.com.